Guys, let me tell you a good secret.
Kung may problema ka sa minor ka, maniwala ka, ilang food coma na rin ang pinagdaanan ko. Basta may kinalaman ka rito, hindi kaya matanda ko na hulag ako na sinusubukan mabuhay na payapa. Pag nakuha ni Jim daw ang kapangyarihan ng 4 na konstelasyon at nakarating sa pinagtataguan ng bukal, wala nang payapa.
Look guys, you have a spot. This is the first hiding spot. It plays hide and seek. You can hide here, turn to block, and you cannot be seen. Second, here. You can go here and hide. What? Wait. What is black here and brown and white.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabayang magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
This.
Let's go!
This is a hiding spot. Now, there's no more hiding spots than this. But you can guys hide here. But I have a new hiding spot for you guys. But if you hide there, you're being seen.
Di ba kakasip
Let's
ni
see.
send ng Gcash yun? Oh, ba't di na nga sa Gcash mo muna ipasok?
Where did I?
Oh. Ako ba yung
Sure,
ibig
this
sabihin?
guys. There's a hiding spot there, right? And right? Yes, this is.
Take joke pa.
But you know that hiding spot, so
Tama dito tayo.
here. So guys, I give you the hiding spots. Now let's rob a car. You rob this car. So let's go to the next hiding spot. Here to the police station. Somewhere you can hide here. But I got a cool thing to show you guys. Let me get my motorcycle here. Look, I can get this inside, and I will get this here. Here, guys. You will go here. This is how to get your thing in the thing. But I think there's a hiding spot here. Look. I know there's a hiding spot. Now let's just go. I didn't find anything hiding spot yet, but it's a literal hiding spot. No. But you can hide there. If your enemy. Oh, here! Well, you can hide here. We found an under thing there. But let's go up. Employees only thing, but no, I'm not an employee, but going obviously. Let's go. Then we need to go up. Here we go. Then we need to go up here. Or am I wrong? That's special bird. There we go. There's something more to climb. Let's start a bed glitch. bed lit up. Wait, what? Doesn't put here. No, don't put it there. There. Oh. Oh my god. Dude, this is powerful. You can hide here, guys. You can hide here. Then you can hide here, bro. You can hide here. Let's get rid of anything else. Bro, you cannot be seen here, bro. You can literally just sleep here. Wait. No, it's seen, but look. You cannot be seen here. Just something is placed here, then you go out, bro. If you got caught, how to escape? I don't know, man. Wait, let's just think we can solve this. Let's go, guys. Solve the problem. Now we got a good hiding spot, guys. No, don't put me down. I'm showing the good hiding spot, guys. This is literally happening. Yeah. Oh my god, don't pull me! Oh my god. Don't pull me. Guys, you need just a bed here, just because you will do this. You need a bed. No, put it down. Oh, I didn't need it. You want to go out and just... Now, guys. It's too low to read it. So, get it higher. Where is it now? Oh, it's hard to see if you're there, bro. See something. No, don't do it. Wait, let me try this. Bro, not like that. How can I fit inside there? That's inside here. Yeah, guys, it's hard to go there, but you need a ladder too, bro. That's a good hiding spot, bro. I'll tell you guys, this is literally a good hiding spot. Bro. Let me go up. Look here. Now we glitch our gun. Let's get rid of the ladder. Right here. Now, let's see if you get seen outside. No, you cannot be seen, bro. No, this is a bad hiding spot, guys. If you want to play hide and seek with your friends, nah, guys, I'll prove this wrong to them. Look, what I keep hiding. Bro, this is not good hiding spot. Please use this.